I Can Do Math had its origin in a 7th grade classroom. Picture, you arrive on your first day in a 7th grade classroom and think you're going to be successful teaching math using the prescribed textbook. Well, you're not. Why? Because in most 7th grade classrooms nationwide, the students are spread over 6 different ability levels in one classroom, with the average performance level around 4th grade, and every student has a different knowledge profile. The starting point in the development of I Can Do Math was to figure out how students learn math from 1st grade through 8th grade and beyond. To achieve the fastest progress, I compressed this curriculum by teaching to the highest level on each concept. Students start out by testing on each and every concept in the sequence. They enter their answer into electronic keypads using mostly free response, thereby eliminating most multiple choice questions. This data is transmitted to the computer, and then the I Can Do Math software automatically prints a scorecard as well as their next assignment if they've passed. This means that students are doing their work with pencil and paper. The I Can Do Math software also has the ability to generate individualized homework assignments. This homework is entered electronically by the students the next day using the keypads. The teacher therefore has electronically calculated homework grades available immediately. If a student doesn't pass, they collect their scorecard from the printer, staple it to their worksheet, and proceed to the teacher to get a one-on-one lesson. The teacher logs a student in at the beginning of the lesson and out at the end of the lesson. This prompts the computer to automatically print the student's next test, which is over the concept just taught. The advantage of the one-on-one lesson is that the teacher can constantly check for understanding which ability is lost in whole group instruction. The individualized instruction also allows the teacher to tailor the lesson to the student's learning style. With a big class of students, I found it more effective to have assistance with teaching by having adult volunteers in the classroom. This quickly led to peer tutoring or using teacher aides. I was amazed at how effective teaching by other students was. They were able to talk to the students from the same frame of reference, which is almost impossible to achieve by an adult. Look how engaged the students are in these one-on-one lessons. Veteran administrators have commented that they have never seen this level of time on task in a 7th grade classroom. Students are working at their own level and pace. There is no waiting for their peers to finish before moving on. The last piece of the puzzle was to have students improve their math facts performance, which is crucial to be successful in many areas of the curriculum. I had not been successful in using other math facts software, so we developed software using the keypads to teach math facts. For the teacher, this means that there's 100% grading of every math fact and instant feedback of students' progress. Students have an immediate affinity to using keypads. This helped eliminate the potential boring aspect of the drill. Learning using the system was excellent. This prompted us to create a math facts game to inject more of the fun factor. Their natural competitiveness meant that students concentrate extra hard not to make mistakes, which further enhances the learning. Take possession back. It's gonna be a tie. Yes, a tie. The Math Facts game was so successful that students begged to play the game every day. They are totally convinced they are playing a game when in reality they are begging to learn math facts. I Can Do Math works. This past year, using the I Can Do Math software to support the system and method has shown an even more impressive increase of up to 3.3 years of learning in 3/4 of a year of instruction. In addition, I Can Do Math has changed students' confidence level. From feeling unsuccessful in math, they have realized that I Can Do Math is in fact a reality.